Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. The volume of a reservoir is 108 meter cube. Water is poured into it at the rate of 60 liters per minute. How many hours will it take to fill the reservoir? So let's see the solution. Volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube. So meter cube is converted to liters, then multiple with 1000. So 108 into 1000, that is 10,000, 8,000. And then rate of flow of water is equal to 60 liters per meter. Time taken to fill the reservoir is equal to volume of the reservoir in liters by rate of flow in liters per minute. So that implies 108 into 1000 by 60 minutes. Minutes to convert to hours, then multiple with 60. So 108 into 1000 by 60 into 60. Here you simplify. 0, 0 will be here. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 6, 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 now. And again 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 2 4s are 18. And then next 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. And again 3 6 are 18. So 6 into 5 is 30 hours. 30 hours. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.